Hi guys, welcome to God Sent. मेरा नाम है रौनक नरूला and today once again I am joined by my beautiful wife तवलीन.
Hi.
और आज तवलीन रैंक करेगी. वैसे तो रोस्ट ही करती है ज़्यादातर, लेकिन आज let's hope that she likes my favorite winter perfumes. ये basically head turning perfumes हैं और mostly सारी women को ज़्यादातर पसंद आती है. If you are watching my video for the first time और आपको ये वीडियो पसंद आए तो चैनल को सब्सक्राइब ज़रूर करिए. लाइक कर देंगे अगर आप इस वीडियो को, then YouTube will also push it. When that happens, we will grow as a community and I will keep making videos that make you the best smelling person in the room every day, every time. तो चलिए वीडियो को शुरू करते हैं. Here you go. This is the dry down.
Okay.
सबसे पहली परफ्यूम है Lomo The Night Edition by Fragrance World. ये क्लोन है La Nuit de l'Homme EDP का. Now let's see what she thinks about it. Here's the opening. Does this remind you slightly of La Nuit de l'Homme?
The dry down, yes.
The
The
opening?
opening, no.
The opening does not.
No.
इसकी ओपनिंग बहुत अलग है क्योंकि ये Eau de Parfum का क्लोन है. And what do you think about it? Do you like this one?
Because I judge it by the opening for now. मुझे opening, it is reminding me of something. It reminds me of this roll-on that used to come from, I don't know, either Nivea or Rexona. एक roll-on आता था, which was like, yeah, एकदम जुगाड़ टाइप अपने पॉकेट में रख लो.
Do you get cardamom? Because I get a very heavy cardamom note in this one.
नहीं, I can only think of the Rexona roll-on. So if we are checking that this is a head turner or not, I'll probably turn my head and wear a mask. It's
ये परफ्यूम तवलीन ने दुबई में जब मैं खरीद रहा था तो बोला था बहुत अच्छी है. मे बी बिकॉज शायद उसको ड्राई डाउन इसका बहुत अच्छा लगा था. शी इज डिसलाइकिंग द ओपनिंग बट एज अ क्लोन दिस इज रियली गुड.
La Nuit de l'Homme का जो ओपनिंग होता है वो ऐसा ही होता है
नहीं,
ना?
EDP का अलग है.
करेक्ट, क्योंकि ड्राई डाउन में इट्स गेटिंग नाइसर.
It's getting closer.
हाँ, it's getting closer. But the opening, if I say,
Can I see the dry down?
yeah.
Yeah. It's closer to the original.
But do you get the Rexona?
I don't. Not a
Yeah.
head turner for you?
Not a head turner. A head turner in which I'll wear a mask and remember you कि अच्छा इसके आसपास मुझे मास्क पहनना है.
रोस्ट शुरू हो चुका है गाइस. पहली परफ्यूम पसंद नहीं आई. Not a head turner for her.
नो, सो बहुत अलग है. ड्राई डाउन बहुत अलग है, ओपनिंग नोट बहुत अलग है. अगर आप इन दोनों को स्मेल करेंगे साथ में तो आपको लगेगा अलग परफ्यूम्स है. ड्राई डाउन इज वेरी रिच.
5-10 मिनट में आई थिंक इट विल बी फाइन.
Yeah, see the dry down is very nice. The dry down is very nice. La Nuit de l'Homme आ रहा है इसमें बिल्कुल dry down में. Opening जो है that is a little off-putting.
We'll move forward. So dry down.
Okay.
The next perfume is Trecento Noir by Pandora Sense. और ये क्लोन है Tom Ford के Noir Extreme EDP का. Is the opening?
Love.
Does this remind you
Oh
of the
God,
Tom Ford?
this is so good. This is so good, guys. Get it? Transcento, it's called.
Trecento.
Trecento. But it's
Trecento
almost
Noir.
like I have transcended because it is outworldly. मतलब बहुत बहुत अच्छा है. This is charming. This is so charming. Again, Tom Ford का अगर क्लोन है तो it has to be so good. मतलब Tom Ford का कोई भी क्लोन अगर अच्छा है तो आँख बंद करके ले लीजिए. Head turner for sure. Like for
Absolutely.
sure. So good.
But this is one of the sexiest winter date night perfumes.
Absolutely. Too good. Like head turner, सब कुछ swoon worthy, charming, transcending.
This will make a woman fall for you.
Yeah.
Believe me.
This is teleporting.
दूसरी परफ्यूम रिव्यू काफी अच्छा है.
बहुत.
Get it guys. This is an amazing clone of Noir Extreme by Tom Ford. So here's the dry down.
Okay.
Oops. अगली परफ्यूम है चारूटो की Regal Reserve और ये क्लोन है Amouage के Royal Tobacco का. क्लोन वाइज इतना क्लोज नहीं है टू द Amouage बट मेरे हिसाब से एज अ फ्रेग्रेंस दिस इज अ गुड विंटर सेंट. ओवरऑल सर्दियों में लगाने के लिए अच्छी खुशबू है. नॉट फॉर टीना. व्हाट डू यू गेट?
There's something fruity about it. I'm getting like a fruity note which I'm not liking at all.
Okay, that is licorice, sweet, fruity, right?
हाँ, ये वही है रॉटन फ्रूट, सड़ान।
रॉटन?
सड़ान। मतलब इसमें ना वो इफ यू आस्क मी अगर हेड टर्नर होएगा तो यू सीन no it will be like
जे का लगा लिया, जे का लगा लिया. So you would never want a guy to wear this
नहीं.
around you.
इसमें स्टार एनीस का है एक नोट.
Very spicy.
वेरी स्पाइसी. जैसे ना कभी अगर आप बिरयानी या कुछ खा रहे हो ऐसा,
Yeah.
मतलब मजा आ रहा है बिरयानी का, लाइफ में
बहुत
बहुत
अच्छी
मजा आ रहा है, खुशबू आ रही है, लेकिन व्हेन यू बाइट इनटू इट तो एक कोई खड़ा मसाला अगर आपका स्टार एनीस या लौंग अगर आपके मुंह में आ जाए और फिर वो ना जाए तो वो ये
It can be overwhelming. I agree.
Yeah.
And this is very powerful. तो अगर आपकी गर्लफ्रेंड को या आपकी वाइफ को अच्छी नहीं लगी, they would not want you to wear this around them. I agree on that one. This is not for everybody. Let's move on. So this is the dry down of the next perfume, and that is Club de Nuit Intense Man by Armaf. Let's see what Mrs. Godsent has to say about this one. Okay, here you go. सभी जानते हैं दिस इज लाइक एन इंस्पायर्ड वर्जन ऑफ क्रीड अवेंटस. ओपनिंग में बिल्कुल भी अवेंटस जैसा नहीं लगता है, 1-to-1 नहीं है, बट ड्राई डाउन में इट गेट्स वेरी क्लोज टू क्रीड अवेंटस.
आई एम नॉट अ फैन.
यू नॉट अ फैन? ओके. ओपनिंग में बहुत लेमनी है, मे बी दैट्स व्हाई यू डिसलाइकिंग इट, बट आई थिंक ड्राई डाउन में इट गेट्स अमेजिंग एंड इन द एयर दिस इज अ कॉम्प्लीमेंट मैग्नेट.
It's feeling very common. मुझे ना ऐसे बहुत common लग रही है. I don't know because everyone is trying to copy Creed Aventus.
Yeah, there are almost 1,000 clones of Creed Aventus right now in the market.
Yeah, so बड़ी common सी लग रही है मुझे.
लेकिन you have given me compliments whenever I wear this perfume.
Maybe on the skin it's slightly different.
And in
but
the air.
I don't know if you remember, someone in our gym wears this.
This one?
Yeah.
I wear it. Vibrant Leather Oud by Zara. Does it remind you of that one?
Oh yeah, but there is something richer in that which I'm not getting. For me, it's common.
Okay.
Like head turning की बात करें तो will I turn heads? No. Will it turn heads? No. जैसे Dior Sauvage common हो गया है ना कि everyone's wearing. It can be a classic, but be different, be unique. Not a head turner now.
Okay. All right.
Like 10 years ago, yes. Now, no.
All right. So dry down. अगली परफ्यूम मेरी recent discovery है, and that is Azara Man Parfum. Yeah, by Fragrance World. ये क्लोन है Tom Ford के Black Orchid Parfum का, and it's a really good one. Let's see if you like Black Orchid.
I don't like it. I love it. It's too good. मतलब
Resurrection.
woman killer. All the good things for this one.
Resurrection से better लगा. Sexy.
Very charming. मतलब ये टॉम फोर्ड के जितने सेंस हैं अच्छे क्लोन किए हुए हैं, those are mic drop. There is nothing that comes even remotely close to Tom Ford and its clones. मतलब ये proper black orchid मुझे इसमें आ रहा है. Look at the packaging also, for instance.
It looks amazing.
It is too good.
Very expensive.
हाँ, मतलब
ये आपकी शेल्फ पे 1500 रुपए वाली परफ्यूम की तरह नहीं लगेगी.
ये ना वो है कि बंदे से पहले परफ्यूम की एंट्री होगी.
Exactly.
कि like it just goes before you and it lingers on.
Yeah.
Head turner 100%.
This is nuclear. This is a room filling perfume.
What's the name?
Azara Man Parfum.
अजारा को बहुत सारा लगाइए. It's like कि you are powerful the moment you enter. आपने enter किया and it will turn heads. मतलब
Absolutely. Very unique.
Proper definition of lady killer, women killer, whatever you call it. Too good.
बड़ी खुशी होती है मुझे जब तुमको कोई परफ्यूम पसंद आती है ना. अच्छा, do you like
आती
it?
है यार मुझे ऐसे एवं ही.
अच्छा, do you
आती
like
है.
it as much as Resurrection or more than Resurrection?
It's coming close. Very
Coming
close. Yeah.
All right. So this one
I
is
could go on and on. It's divine.
Yeah.
Like
head turning.
for sure.
Make your woman fall for you.
Yeah.
All
yeah.
right.
Totally.
Nice one.
Kamal. Kamal. Like
मजा बांध दिए छोटे, बाजा फाड़ दिए छोटे.
बाजा फाड़.
Here's a dry down. This one. अगली परफ्यूम है Camaro Homme Intense by Pandora Scents. और ये क्लोन है Dior Homme Intense का, another perfume that I absolutely love. और ये भी बहुत अच्छा क्लोन है उसका. What do you think about it?
I'm liking it today.
You like it?
I'm liking it. Like there is a very mysteriousness to it.
Yeah.
मतलब कि it's very manly. First of all, बहुत ही manly perfume है. There is a mystery to the man. आप उनको जानना चाहेंगे कि who is this person, you know. आज मुझे ये बहुत अच्छा लग रहा है, बहुत अच्छा.
Does it smell like a warm velvet blanket in the winters?
Yeah, like you know, some cozy even candles which are room filling, they smell like this. Very mysterious, very manly. If you ask me about head turner, I will turn my head, I will walk up to the person and I will take your number.
Oh,
like
wow.
it is very good, too good.
Nice one.
मैंने ये वाली खुशबू मतलब
This has grown on you.
Yeah, this has grown on me. पहले ना मुझे आयरिस का नोट बिल्कुल पसंद नहीं था, पर अब मुझे आयरिस से ज़्यादा इसमें there is this manliness that it has.
And there is also a musky amber vibe.
Yeah.
Ambrette.
So आज मुझे आयरिस से ज़्यादा ये आ रहा है कि like that
amber.
musky amber which is very manly for me. Like I said, I will go up to you, walk up to you and take your number. So it's like a head turner that leads to like a call to action.
इसमें जो एम्बर का नोट है वो थोड़ा थोड़ा YSL टक्सीडो के उससे मिलता है क्या एम्बर से?
No, don't push.
Okay. Camaro Homme Intense by Pandora Scents. Get this, guys. ये रहा ड्राई डाउन. अगली परफ्यूम मुझे सर्दियों में लगाना बहुत पसंद है. It's a fresh perfume and that is Not Stag Expressions Un by Paris Corner. ये परफ्यूम क्लोन है बुल्गारी टाइगर का. It's almost identical. और इसे मुझे सर्दियों में लगाना इसलिए पसंद है because this is very strong. What do you think?
Too good, too good. मतलब ये मतलब is one.
Number one, yes.
एक नंबर परफ्यूम है भाई.
Come on.
एक नंबर, too good. मतलब out of words.
Does this remind you of a very rich sheikh in Dubai?
Yeah.
और इसका नोट ब्रेकडाउन इतना सिंपल है, बहुत सिंपल खुशबू है ये. Grapefruit, ambroxan, woody notes. That's all.
Yeah, but you know it's very unique.
थोड़ी सी green भी है.
It's none of those Creed Inventors,
Yeah.
Dior Sauvage,
Yeah.
वैसे नहीं है.
I
ये ना
agree.
बहुत unique है. Very very rich.
Simple, very classy.
Yeah. If you ask me if this is a head turner or not, I mean I'm just gonna pull my glasses down and say who's that boy? Like
Who smells like
yeah,
Bulgari tiger?
like too good. I would just ask, you know, okay,
What
is
perfume?
that? It's that Kukkar ka Malda. Who's that boy? Like complete head turner. Like the poos of the world and the Shanayas will go crazy. Kukkar, too good.
Thank you. मजा आ गया. बड़ी खुशी होती है मुझे जब मेरी परफ्यूम्स तबलीन को पसंद आती हैं. आज तो बहुत सारी परफ्यूम्स पसंद आई.
ऐसे बोलता है ये. मैं कोई रोज नहीं करती हूँ यार. I just pay my heart out.
रोस्ट नहीं करती हो?
करती हूँ क्या?
रोस्ट नहीं करती हो, एक बार से सुन लो.
क्या है ये? अबे यार.
Regal Reserve. Okay.
But I don't roast. Like
They know. So here's the dry down. अगली परफ्यूम है Ebony Fume by Fragrance World. और ये क्लोन है Tom Ford के Ban Fume का. You have smelled that at the duty free. And I think you're a fan of Ban Fume by Tom Ford.
mic drop. Again, Tom Ford. मतलब नाम ही काफी है. अगर Tom Ford का अच्छा क्लोन मिल रहा है, don't even think. Like don't even think. Just buy it. Too good. Like this is smelling like कि अच्छा अगर कभी आप छुट्टियों पे जाते हो somewhere like in Star or somewhere for skiing and there is a wooden cabin. और wooden cabin में you have your man, you know, dressed in Tom Ford clothes. मतलब एकदम ही
all black.
Yeah, all black, like the Tom Ford boots and the long coat, the trench coat. There is like a chopper waiting outside.
And he's wearing this one. This reminds me of Christmas because the oud, the burnt wood.
Yeah, like I said na कि fireplace. There is a fireplace. You have your chopper. कभी खुशी कभी गम में Shahrukh Khan
getting down on the helicopter.
Yeah.
And running.
Shahrukh running from the helicopter in slow motion. The hair flying, the trench coat,
all
the
black.
chopper. Yeah, Raichand. It's a Raichand.
All right. कह दिया ना.
बस कह दिया.
Ebony Fume, guys. Get this, guys. Head turning, amazing. ये dry down है. अगली perfume है Charuto Tobacco Vanille by Paris Corner. I think the most disliked note for Tavleen is tobacco. She does not like the note
ऐसा
of
नहीं
tobacco.
है यार, Tom Ford के tobacco होते हैं.
No, I remember the red tobacco perfumes का रूह अफ़ज़ा.
There was something sweet in that. It's not tobacco. Like I think Tom Ford में कोई तो tobacco वाला होता है जो मुझे पसंद है.
Tobacco oud.
You have to get the tobacco right. If it goes well, it goes great. If it doesn't, then it doesn't land.
This is simple. Tobacco and vanilla and spices.
एक ना काढ़ा होता है.
काढ़ा. काढ़ा. अच्छा.
कोविड में हम सब लोग काढ़ा पीते थे. There is a green note in this.
Yeah, that's a tobacco leaf.
हाँ, ये वो सिगरेट वाली वो है यार.
थोड़ी सी ऐशी खुशबू है.
I'm getting थोड़ा चाय पत्ती also.
Yes, it smells slightly like tea.
चाय पत्ती.
Yes.
कि चाय बन रही है, काढ़ा बन रहा है.
But it's
Do I
not
want
for
to
everyone.
smell like chai?
This one is not for everybody, but for people who like the note of tobacco, I think this is an amazing perfume. Once again, this is a Tom Ford.
नहीं यार.
It's a clone of Tom Ford Tobacco Vanille.
I have not smelled then tobacco vanille. Yeah, because like
This reminds
everyone
me
was
of Christmas
drinking
again.
काढ़ा. नहीं यार, Christmas का वो इतना अच्छा
Warm
था.
sweater, hot chocolate,
काढ़ा.
winters.
काढ़ा. जब वो पक जाता है ना, जब वो इतना गाढ़ा हो जाता है कि वो गाढ़ा हो जाता है.
I love your one-liners, Tina.
ये है यार, वो पकता ही जा रहा है काढ़ा.
कोई भूल गया गैस पे रख के.
हाँ, फिर वो एकदम काला.
This does not smell like that.
This is काढ़ा.
Tobacco, vanilla, and spices. Polarizing, yes. Not for everybody, yes. But amazing. I love wearing this. So, is this a head turner for you? Would women like this on men? Tina?
No, that's my answer. This is not.
Clearly not a head turner. Sorry, tobacco vanilla. Here's the dry down. ये परफ्यूम भी मैंने recently discover करी है और ये है Paris Corner की Confidential. Now this is a hybrid between Diptyque Stamped
This
Out.
is Shahrukh. This is Shahrukh.
Yes, and Dunhill icon. Absolute. In short, शाहरुख खान की signature scent का सबसे शानदार clone. Amazing, right?
Swoon. This is swoon worthy. मतलब like I just
10
mic
on 10.
drop again. Too good. Perfect.
Yeah, man. This is a head turner.
Swoon worthy. Complete. मतलब head turner. This is like कि वो, you know, Shahrukh says palat. This does it.
Yeah.
You don't have to say palat. पलटेगी भाई, ये बहुत चीज़ी ऐसी है. पलटेगी. बोलो मत. Perfume लगाओ.
खुद ब खुद पलटेगी.
Yeah, this is like ready to swoon in your arms. But this is so worth it. Like पलटेगी.
Amazing winter perfume. इसको आप पूरा साल भी लगा सकते हो. It's not that
Yeah,
difficult
I
to
get
wear.
the cream. I get the sandalwood. I get the greenness in this.
Do you get the spices?
Spicy, but for me,
In a
the
good way.
sandalwood and the cream, they are so good. कि मतलब this says come let's fall in love.
Yeah. Oh wow.
Like,
दिलवाले दुल्हनिया ले जाएंगे.
हाँ, ले गए, पलट गई.
Nice.
Wow, dreamy, very dreamy.
Okay. So which are the 5 favorite perfumes that you love today?
Of course, Confidential.
Okay.
Then I like the Black Orchid, jo
Okay.
Azara, I think.
Yeah, this one.
Yeah.
These two.
Then
Alright.
the Ebony Foam
Okay.
clone.
This one.
Yeah, yeah. Un.
Un.
Jo Un.
Okay.
And then there was Trecento.
Trecento. Yes.
Yeah.
This one.
So these 5.
Okay.
Yeah.
Now you have to pick 3 favorite perfumes out of these 5. Top 3.
Baapre, this is like the toughest. Like too good.
Okay. You wanna smell them once again?
Yeah.
Trecento. This is Un.
Okay.
This is Confidential. Zara and Ebony Fume.
This is very tough. This is very tough. Okay, I think I'll put. So Trecento is out for me in this.
Trecento is gone.
Not in the top 3.
Number 5. Okay.
Yeah.
Alright. Trecento
Okay.
is gone.
Very tough, yeah. Very tough. This is getting tough.
I'm loving it.
Don't do this, यार. इन सबको एक ही लिस्ट में क्यों डालते हो?
These are head turning perfumes. My favorite.
बहुत अच्छी है. I'm very confused between Azara and Ebony Foam. किसको बाहर निकालें? I think Ebony को हटाते हैं and Azara makes
Goes.
it to top 3.
Alright. This
Yeah.
one goes down. Okay.
So-
Number 4
Yeah. So the second runner-up is
is
Azara.
Azara Man. Okay.
Yeah.
This is your third favorite, right?
Yeah. The second runner-up or
Number 3.
Number 3
Azara
is
Man.
Azara Man.
Black
Dahlia.
Orchid Parfum. Alright.
That's number 3.
Yeah. Number 2.
Ooh.
Difficult, right?
Very difficult. Very, very. Yeah.
Which one? Okay. Hold on.
Very difficult.
Which one?
The first runner-up is
Confidential.
Yeah.
Oh, okay. This one comes at number 2.
Yeah.
Alright, so your favorite head turning perfume today is North Stag Expressions Un.
एक नंबर आई टोल्ड यू एक नंबर है ये
I agree.
मतलब इन उन जो भी है ये
Hmm.
प्लीज बाय इट इफ यू वांट टू स्मेल लाइक अ रिच चिक दिस इज इट स्मेल अमेजिंग विद दिस वन कंप्लीट हेड टर्नर टू गुड
Number 1.
नंबर 1 इज
Head turning winter perfume for men.
या
North Stag Expressions Un
उन
by Paris Corner. अगर आपने भी इनमें से कोई परफ्यूम ट्राई करी है तो मुझे कमेंट्स में बताइए कि आपको कैसी लगी, और अगर आपकी नज़र में कोई बढ़िया क्लोन है किसी एक्सपेंसिव परफ्यूम का, यू लेट मी नो एंड आई विल चेक इट आउट. एंड ऑलवेज रिमेंबर गाइस, लव वन अनदर. जीसस सेड, as I have loved you, so you must
love one another.
Thank you so much for tuning in. This is Ronak Narula
And this is Tavleen Kaur.
signing off. Goodbye.
Bye.
Take care.